is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Braids by Nat. Today I'll be showing everyone how I take down my full head of Goddess box braids in less than 30 minutes, okay? There's no cheating going on. I didn't take down any braids before this video. You all probably can see that the bottom of my braids have already started unraveling because I cut them, so they just start unraveling on their own. I am starting the stopwatch at 1:33 p.m. Okay, it's just to show you guys there's no cheating going on. Okay, so here I'm showing you all my hair and how none of the braids were taken out. Now the key to taking down your braids really fast is that your braider would have to braid all your braids very consistently, and there's no crinkle braids, there's no bumps in your braids. So if your braids are braided down consistently, then it'll be so easy to take down your hair. So I just fast forwarded just to show you all me taking down my hair. I'm also going to show you guys regular speed of how fast I actually take down my braids. I've always taken down my braids really fast. Some people come to me to get their hair taken down because of how fast I go. But again, it's based off of the consistency of your braid and if the braids are braided down evenly throughout. So I'm showing you guys it's only been 3 minutes and 50 seconds on the stopwatch. I'm going to continue, and after this video I will let you all know some braid care tips and what you should do after you take your braids down. So please enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below if you guys have any tips on how to take down your braids fast, or if you guys have any questions. Under 30 minutes. I took down my hair in 27 minutes. Look, I told myself before I even made this video that I would take down my braids in less than 30 minutes. And look, I reached my goal. So some braid care tips after you take down your braids. Please, please, please do not wash your hair right after you take down your braids. You must detangle your hair first. Take out the knot first from the roots and then detangle. Proceed to detangling your hair, preferably with your fingers, or you can use a wide tooth comb. Okay? Once after you detangle your hair, then you can proceed to wash your hair. This is to ensure that you have little to no breakage when you take down your hair. You honestly shouldn't have any breakage from braids. If you have breakage from braids, that means you are not properly caring for your hair right after you take down your hair, or the braider has braided your hair too tight. So detangling your hair before you wash your hair is to ensure that you have little to no breakage. The only hair that should be coming out of your head is shedded hair. So again, let me know down below if you guys have any question or any tips, braid care tips, how to take down your hair really fast. Just let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all again for tuning in.